Okay, so we will be doing some coffee jelly. So this is our ingredients. Some coffee powder, about gelatin powder. Of course, we need a hot water. And this is a medium bowl with a spoon. And of course, 2 plastic cups for our food. So today, we will be using only electricity and we will not be using stove or gas. So our first step here is to make this coffee be devoured or melted. And we will be heating this water now. So while we wait our water to be hot, we need to pour now our coffee. So let's pour it. Okay, so we need to pour our coffee. Pour it now. Okay, we will be pouring now our coffee. Well, we need a twin pack coffee. Okay, yes. So that's now our water. It makes the water hotter. So let's pour now the gelatin. Let's pour. Okay, so this will be the sorry, this is for the gelatin. Yeah. This is unflavored. You better choose unflavored because it's more, because we'll be flavoring it. And let's mix the 2 powders. Mix it around. Okay, we'll be mixing. See that? Okay, our water is now hot. And we need to pour it now. Okay, so get that spoon and while I'm pouring, you mix that. Okay. Ooh. Mix. Okay. That's great. So yes, I will be mixing now. We'll be mixing now this thing. See that? Because yeah. That's now our product. Well, that's now our product. You pour some for us. That's now our ending product. Well, we will be freezing now. Okay, we will be putting now our coffee. That's our little coffee. The bigger one is in the living room. We'll be putting now our big bowl.
Mainit yan, sabi eh.
Shut up!
Sisirain yung ref. Napudot tayo ron, hanga pwede.
That's sorry for that. Because of that old woman.